So next one is Notes pane. This is present at the bottom of the Microsoft PowerPoint screen. So here you can see the white space. This is the Notes pane. Here you can write the speaker notes about the slides or presentation. It provides you the space to write speaker notes. A speaker note is the information about a particular slide in the presentation. These notes can be helpful to the user while presenting a presentation. You may also create notes for your audience and distribute them in printed form. So here you can place the speaker notes. You can write about the slide or a particular slide. You can give the information to your audience in the form of speaker notes. So this is Notes pane. Okay, students. Now, next one is slide sorter view. This view shows you all the slides in a miniature form. The facility is helpful in rearranging, deleting, adding new slides, etc. So in this view, you can see all the slides present in your presentation in the form of miniature form. You can see, and you can edit, you can delete, you can add new slides in this form also, in this view also. This is known as slide sorter view. Okay. Next one is notes page view. This view allows you to view the notes page, to edit the speaker notes as how they will look when you print them out. Means if you want to edit your speaker notes, then you can open this kind of view, notes page view. You can change the speaker notes. You can edit the new speaker notes according to your choice. Okay, students, this is notes page view. Next one is reading view. What is reading view? This view hides tabs, groups, ribbons, and other elements on the of the screen and provides a full space to view or read the contents of a slide. Means you will see in this kind of view, you will see only the slide on the entire screen. Rest of the parts will be hidden, and you can easily read whatever is present on the slide. Okay, you can easily read the content of the slide. This is known as a reading view. Okay, so next one is now slide show view. What is slide show view? This view completely fills the computer screen and displays you the series of slides in a defined sequence. In short, it is what the audience will see when they will view the presentation. So students, this is the final view, slideshow view. Whenever you will make any presentation full of slides, at the last you have to go for this option, slideshow view, to show your slides to the audience in a sequence way. Slideshow view has an additional menu that appears when you right click the mouse over it, allowing you to navigate slides and access other features at the time of creating a presentation. Okay, students, you can see here. To switch into the slideshow view, either click the slideshow button on the status bar of the window or press F5 key on the keyboard. So this is the shortcut key of the slideshow view. You can press the F5 key to show the presentation of all the slides.